Hi everyone! In this video we will use mixed units in the US system. Leela wants to build 3 raised garden beds. She needs 420 inches of galvanized sheet metal for each bed. How many yards of sheet metal will she need? The first thing we see is that we have 420 inches and she wants to make 3 garden beds. We could convert the 420 inches to yards. However, it will be easier in the long run if we multiply it by the 3 beds first, just in case it helps prevent some partial fractions or decimals, because if we multiply it, we will end up with more. So let's go ahead and start with that. Since she needs 420 inches for each garden bed, and she wants 3 beds, we'll multiply 3 times 420, which gives us a total of 1,260 inches. Now that we know how many total inches, let's go ahead and convert this to yards. 1,260 inches. And we need to multiply this by a conversion factor. And let's go ahead and review a couple of things. 1 foot is 12 inches, and 1 yard is 3 feet. Now that we know that, let's go ahead and work out our roadmap for the conversion factors. Since I have inches on top and I want to get rid of inches, I'll put inches on the bottom. And because there are 12 inches in 1 foot, let's go ahead and replace this with feet. And we can put in those numbers. We have 12 inches for every foot, but we wanted to go all the way to yards, so we need to multiply this by yet another conversion factor, which is handy because we have yards and feet. Because feet are on top here, I want to get rid of feet by putting it on the bottom and replacing it with the next unit, which would be yards. And there are 3 feet in every yard. Now that I have all of my conversions and I've gotten to my unit of yards, let's go ahead and simplify. Inches divided by inches cancel. Feet divided by feet cancel. Nothing's canceling with yards, so it is our final unit, which is exactly what we wanted. Now we can go ahead and work through the numbers. 1,260 times 1 gives us 1,260. And on the bottom, we don't have anything here, so we don't need to worry about it. 12 times 3 is 36, and there's no units on the bottom, so it's just 36. Now we can use our calculator. Our 1,260 divided by 36 gives us a total of 35 yards. Leela will need 35 yards to complete her 3 raised garden beds, and we're all done.